try and get in out from that. Huh? No, it's all about him pulling forward, isn't it?
You get to the front.
Well, he can.
You have to go forward, won't get him out back, will you?
Nah. Who's looking there to go in? You got a rope?
When I drive forward,
Huh?
when I drive forward, you turn that rope with the boot first, it's under the wheel.
Yeah. One in the water and one across the other side, isn't it? I'm going to get it in there. That's quite a lot of difference, that one, to mine.
Is it?
Yeah.
How long's the battery lasting yours?
I only got mine this week.
Oh.
The one I had, you get them off of eBay apparently, the copies for 7 quid, 17 quid. That looks a bigger battery, that one, than mine. I think it is actually, eh? Try lifting it. Yeah, that mine looks smaller, you got a bigger battery than that.
Yeah.
Fucking well cheap now, aren't they, for what they are.